Norse Mythology time. 50 questions about gods, giants, and Ragnarok. Let's go! What spear does Odin carry that never misses its target?
The spear Tyrfing. The spear Gram. The spear Gungnir.
The spear Gungnir. Which two ravens act as Odin's eyes and ears?
Skull and Hati. Jerry and Freaky. Hugin and Munin.
That's right, Hugin and Munin. What does the dragon Nidhogg do to the world tree?
Or nests in its branches. Gnaws at its roots. Coils around its trunk.
Gnaws at its roots. What role does the goddess Idun play among the Aesir?
Keeper of golden apples. Guardian of the hearth. Weaver of fate threads.
It's keeper of golden apples. What does Odin sacrifice at Mimir's well to gain wisdom?
His left eye, his long beard, his right hand.
His left eye. What does Tyr sacrifice to help bind the wolf Fenrir?
His shield arm, his prized sword, his right hand.
It's his right hand. What kind of animals pull Freya's chariot across the sky?
A pair of large cats, a pair of black ravens, a pair of white wolves.
That's right, a pair of large cats. Let's see, where does Freya receive her half of the battle-slain warriors?
The field of Folkvang, the frozen realm Niflheim, or the dark realm Helheim.
That's right, the field of Folkvanger. What creature runs up and down Yggdrasil carrying insults?
The squirrel Ratatoskr, the hawk Vedrafolnir, the wise head of Mimir.
It's the squirrel Ratatoskr. 10 down. What role does Heimdall serve in Asgard?
God of war and justice, judge of the dead, or guardian of the Bifrost.
Guardian of the Bifrost. Which of Fenrir's offspring endlessly pursues the moon?
The great wolf Fenrir, or the moon hunter Hati. The sun chaser Skull.
It's the moon hunter Hati. What does Thor's belt Meggingjord do for him?
Makes him invisible, doubles his strength, or grants him flight.
That's right, doubles his strength. Okay, where does Loki's daughter Hel hold her domain over the dead?
The fire realm Muspelheim, the frozen realm Niflheim, the giant realm Jotunheim.
That's right, the frozen realm Niflheim. What is Muspelheim in Norse cosmology?
The realm of fire, the realm of ice, the realm of the dead.
That's right, the realm of fire. What type of weapon is used to kill the god Balder?
A mistletoe dart, or a silver arrow, an iron spear.
It's a mistletoe dart. What role does Loki play in the death of the god Balder?
He sends Balder to Helheim. He poisons Balder's mead. He guides Hod's fatal aim.
It's he guides Hod's fatal aim. Which dwarves forged Mjolnir in competition with Loki?
Alfric and Burling, Plo, Sindri and Broker, Dane and Nain.
It's Sindri and Broker. What sinister ship in Norse myth is built from dead men's nails?
The ship Skidbladnir, or the ship Hringhorni, the dread ship Naglfar.
The dread ship Naglfar. What magical ability does Freyr's ship Skidbladnir have?
Can be folded like cloth, or turns invisible at sea. Sails without any wind.
It can be folded like cloth. What makes Odin's horse Sleipnir unique among all horses?
It has extra legs. It can speak in riddles. It can fly through fire.
That's right, it has extra legs. Who shapeshifts into a mare and gives birth to Sleipnir?
The goddess Freya, or the trickster Loki. The giantess Angbroda.
That's right, the trickster Loki. What role does the primordial cow play in Norse creation?
Odhumla nourishes Ymir, or Hyrroken pulls the sun. Jord shapes the mountains.
That's right, Odhumla nourishes Ymir. What ancestor of the gods did Odhumla free from the ice?
Buri the first god, or Bor the father of Odin. Ymir, the frost giant.
Buri the first god. From what was the physical world fashioned at Norse creation?
Or Ymir's body, Hwad, a cosmic egg, the void of Ginnungagap.
That's right, Ymir's body. Halfway there, what did Freya give the dwarves in exchange for the Brisingamen?
Her enchanted magic cloak, a night with each dwarf. Her precious tears of gold.
That's right, a night with each dwarf. What do Odin's wolves, Jerry and Freaky, eat each day?
Food from Odin's table. The roots of Yggdrasil. The flesh of Ymir.
That's right, food from Odin's table. What is the name of Freya's hall inside the field of Folkvanger?
Fladsheim. Eljudnar, or Sesrumnir.
Ooh, Sesrumnir. Where do gods and giants clash in the final battle of Ragnarok?
The vast plain of Vigrid, or the golden hall Gladsheim, the sacred field Idavol.
The vast plain of Vigrid. Okay, what happens to Thor immediately after slaying Jormungandr?
He is crowned king of Asgard. He dies from the serpent's venom. He is swallowed by the sea.
He dies from the serpent's venom. How does Odin's son Vidar avenge his father at Ragnarok?
Or he breaks Loki's chains. He slays Fenrir the wolf. He defeats Surtur in battle.
He slays Fenrir the wolf. What is the name of Mimir's well beneath Yggdrasil in Jotunheim?
Limisbrunner, or Hevergelmir, or Darbrunner.
Grimmisbrunner. What does the Old Norse word Ragnarok roughly mean?
Fate of the gods, end of all worlds, or fall of Asgard.
It's fate of the gods. Who weaves the fate of gods and men at the Well of Erd?
The Norns of Destiny. The goddesses Frigg and Freya, the shield maidens Valkyries.
It's the Norns of Destiny. What is the name of Odin's high seat from which he sees all worlds?
Bilskirnir, Bilaskjalf, Lidskav.
It's Hlidskjalf. Which fire giant sets the world ablaze during Ragnarok?
The great giant Skrymir, the fire giant Surtur, the frost giant Thrym.
It's the fire giant Surtur. With what was Loki bound after the death of Balder?
Roots of Yggdrasil, iron chains, the entrails of his son.
It's the entrails of his son. What golden treasure does Odin own that copies itself endlessly?
The arm ring Draupnir, the cursed ring and Veranot, the binding chain Gleipnir.
That's right, the arm ring Draupnir. How often does the ring Draupnir produce new gold rings?
Every solstice, every ninth night, every full moon.
That's right, every ninth night. Which impossible ingredient was used to forge Fenrir's chain, Gleipnir?
The scent of lightning, the sound of a cat's footstep, the shadow of a dragon.
The sound of a cat's footstep. Just 10 more. What hawk perches between the eagle's eyes atop Yggdrasil?
Guling Kumbi, Ratatosker, Vedrafolner.
It's Vedrafolner. What does the name Valhalla literally mean in Old Norse?
Hall of the Slain, Hall of the Gods, Hall of Heroes.
Hall of the Slain. Which of the Norns governs the present moment?
Skuld, Norn of the future, or Verdandi, Norn of now, Erd, Norn of the past.
Verdandi, Norn of now. What does the giant Thrym demand in exchange for returning Mjolnir?
The apples of Idun, Odin's magical spear, Freya as his bride.
Freya as his bride. What does Freyr use as a weapon at Ragnarok without his sword?
Or a borrowed shield, a stag's antler, his bare fists.
That's right, a stag's antler. What is the name of Odin's hall in Asgard that houses his great throne?
Or Valaskjalf, Gladshime, Bilskirnir.
Valaskjalf. What is the hall in Niflheim where Hel rules over the dead?
The corpse shore Nastrand, the roaring spring Hafergelmir, the damp hall Eljudnir.
The damp hall Eljudnir. Which river separates the world of the living from Helheim?
The rushing river Thund, the dark river Goel, the icy rivers Alivagar.
The dark river Goel. Let's see. Which Eddic poem tells of both the creation and end of the world?
The masked one's Grimnismal, the wisdom poem Havamal, or the seeress's Voluspa.
It's the seeress's Voluspa. What does the giantess Skadi demand when she arrives at Asgard?
Return of Fenrir's chain, blood price for Thjazi, a seat among the Aesir.
That's right, blood price for Thjazi. Last one. What is Odin known for having an extraordinary number of?
Weapons and artifacts, names and titles, children and descendants.
Names and titles. That's all 50 Norse mythology questions. Drop your score in the comments and subscribe for more quiz videos.